little explorers. Are you all ready to have some fun today? Guess what? Today we are going to hear a special story about a car. Our story is called Zoom's Special Adventure. Are you all ready? Let's go.
Zoom's Big Adventure and New Friend. Once upon a time, in a cozy little garage, lived a bright red car named Zoom. Zoom was a very happy car, but sometimes he wished he could go on a big adventure. Every morning in his garage, he used to think, I wish something new would happen today. One very sunny morning, the garage door opened wide. Zoom giggled his wheels and happily blinked his lights. Vroom, vroom, let's go out. He honked and rolled out into the sunshine. Zoom decided to go exploring. He zoomed past green trees and colorful flowers. Hello world, I am Zoom and I am off on an adventure. He honked happily. Just then, he heard a sound. It was a small, brown dog named Toffee, barking loudly. Woof, woof. Toffee asked, Hey red car, where are you rushing off to so fast? Zoom replied, I am looking for fun. Do you want to come with me? Toffee wagged his tail. Wow, yes I do. My ball is lost. Can you help me find it? Zoom and Toffee went off together. Suddenly, Zoom saw a big, sparkly puddle filled with water. Toffee yelled, Wait, Zoom, wait! It's wet! Zoom laughed. No problem, Toffee. Splash! He drove right through it. Water splashed high in the air. Both Toffee and Zoom laughed. Then Toffee said, Look, Zoom, my ball is over there by the flowers. Zoom helped Toffee retrieve the ball. After playing, Zoom and Toffee saw a friendly yellow butterfly fluttering by. Zoom said, Look there, a friend. Vroom, vroom. Let's follow the butterfly. The butterfly led them to a beautiful field where lots of other happy cars were playing. There was a blue car, a green car, and a purple car. The blue car said, Hey, look, who arrived? The green car asked, Will you two race with us? Zoom and Toffee said together, Yes, that will be fun. They all played the entire afternoon. Zooming and vrooming, and Toffee ran very fast. When the sun began to set, Zoom and Toffee waved goodbye to their friends. Zoom said, See you again tomorrow, friends. Bye-bye. Toffee hugged Zoom. You are the best car, Zoom. Zoom drove back to his cozy garage. Tired, but very happy. Wow! Made a friend and had an adventure. He whispered, ready for more fun tomorrow.
And that was the end of Zoom's big adventure. What super duper fun Zoom had. Zooming and rooming. Zoo, zoo, vroom. We learned so much today. And we met Zoom's new friends. Who all were there? Toffee, the dog, Butterfly, and lots of colorful cars. I hope you enjoyed today. See you next time, little explorers. Till then, bye-bye.